how big that dinosaur is. It's nearly as big as a cheeseburger. It's got a big egg. And there's a dino butt there. And there's another dino butt. Dino butts. We'll go in there later. By the way, we're at the Wildlife Safari Park thing. Here are bush dogs. As you can see, they're the invisible sort of bush dog. And over here is some whatever they are. Can you see them? Right over there. There. Oh, look, a monkey. What are we doing at this side when all animals are over there? You can see them. There's a dinosaur, another dinosaur. Oh, one of them's angry. And then there's this weird thing here, a terrifying dactyloid. Wow! Terrifying. Now, I probably should point this out, shouldn't I? Mm-hmm. There's no trolls here. This is not a troll activity area. Unless it's them little trolls that seem to make loads of noise like wah! I want monkeys, wah! Look at them leaves, they're weird, aren't they? Big furry leaves. Are they all called Fred?
Yeah.
They're all called Fred Panda?
Yeah.
Okay. An actual real life Pokemon. It's the fuzzy face con. If you look closely in the distance, you can see a JCB in its natural habitat digging itself a little hole to sleep in. Because JCBs don't like being warm in the summer, they like to keep cool by hiding in ditches. Also be careful if you're going to hear it with your hat, because they like pinching hats.
It's a female, that as well.
Is it?
Yeah, it's got a yellow red bottom.
It's got a red bottom, and that means that it's a female.
It's a female with a red bottom.
So, South Yorkshire shovel bucket.
Weirdos. No, Julie, get up there. Julie, come back.
I knew it.
Oh, you're there. It's got you confused with that big hairy monkey. Look, there's loads of more monkeys in there. I've never seen anything in here.
I thought you found it last time.
I don't think so.
It didn't stay there, did it? Months.
They're not giraffes, they're cats with really long legs and necks. Talking of weird animals.
Oh, long neck leopard.
They don't get much weirder than this. Well, actually, they don't.
Yeah. We're going to go in there again because I'm starving.
You're starving, you're like your dad.
I've not had any... Here we are majestically surveying the landscape for camels, I think. Maybe they're all in there. There's some rabbits down there though. 3 of them, I think. Rabbits. I see note. That's the problem with these with these wildlife things is that you pay your monies to come and look at animals and stuff, but you hardly ever get to see much of them because animals don't want to be wandering around all the time when there's people staring at them. Maybe you have to just time it right. I remember last time we came to look at the lions and they were all hidden. And like the hyenas today have all been hidden, so maybe animatronics will help in this situation. Why don't you like donuts?
I don't like whole. I like the bit that's round with it. I always throw whole away.
Well, if you get one, I'll have whole and you can have donut.
I gave you one earlier.
I've lost
Oh, you
it.
dropped it?
Yeah, I put it in my pocket and there's a hole in my pocket.
Jesus, I want an ice cream.
You can have an ice cream.
Mummy?
We might be able to see a lion. Let's have a look. Look at all them fishes. Look at them fishes. Amazing.
Got to ask this question, haven't you?
Hello.
Dinosaurs alive. And a bit plasticky. Oh, hello. Is that all you're bothered about? Look at that dinosaur. It's very realistic, isn't it? Look at it. It's even got a jacket on and everything.
Oldest dinosaurs.
Is it a real one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a real dinosaur.
Real dinosaur.
I'm the real daddy. What is with that colour, you know?
Yeah. What's this one? It's Holosaurus. Magic musics. laughing at you. This is where they filmed Jurassic Park. And these are the animatronics that they used in Jurassic Park. And I think you'll agree, they're very realistic. Oh, there's a little one there. Let's have a look at him. You're all very noisy. Okay. How are you enjoying today? You're not, okay. This one's the Dinosaurus. T-Rexosaurus. How are you enjoying today? You having a good time? Oh look, a lovely dinosaur. A lovely dinosaur. Ah, I'm gonna get wet. Oh, I didn't do it. Oh, that was disappointing. Oh, there he goes. How rude. You can still see him right over there. There's a Triceratops man.
Very nice.
As I love for us. But that was terrible. Stegosaurus. Hello. How do you feel about listening to panpipe music all day? No, I wouldn't like it either. Velociraptors. Look, Velociraptors. I thought Velociraptors were supposed to be tiny. Hello. Do you reckon you could take down a velociraptor? So you reckon if a velociraptor were to come at you, you couldn't take it down? Can you not give it a swift old kick into the face?
Yeah, I'll just punch him in the face.
You punch him in the face, that's all you have to do.
And in
Dead
the
easy.
balls.
And in the balls. Punch him in the face and the balls.
Yeah. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. By fists. And here I am now with one of the stars from Jurassic Park. So, tell me, Michael, how did you find being on the set of Jurassic Park?
They were bloody rubbish.
Well, there you have it from the mouth of one of the stars from Jurassic Park. It was bloody rubbish. Look how big that thing is. Can you imagine that thing flying around? You can, I can't.
Oh, well. Well, planes are bigger.
Yeah, but they're planes, not just a creature. It just stops and lands. Huge.